absolutely love when fresh, beautiful fruit is ripe and in season. We love collecting fresh peaches and fresh apricots and delicious apples off of our fruit trees each year. But every once in a while, the frost hits in a severe way, and this year was one of those years. Unfortunately, we are not going to be getting any fresh fruit off of our trees this year. And this is when I become very grateful for farm stands that ship up produce from the south and for our local grocery stores. And today is a pretty typical weekend day here for us. Jules and Nate are going to head over for a family dinner, and most likely pickleball will be on the agenda. It's been the popular thing recently. And anytime I have to come up with a quick, easy, last-minute dessert, I often think about our peach cobbler. And today, that's what I'm going to be making. I'm going to leave the recipe down in the description for you. It's so simple, and it turns out every time. I'm going to use my large 12-inch cast iron pan for this recipe. And just in case you are new here, did you know that we have digital cookbooks? They are full of some of our family favorite go-to recipes, and I know your family will enjoy them as well. I will leave the link for those cookbooks down in the description. All right, it's time for dessert. Homemade peach cobbler with vanilla bean ice cream and a drizzle of our homemade caramel. It's tough to beat. I'll leave the link for the homemade caramel recipe down in the description too. Okay, so we shoot our videos different ways, and sometimes we do what we call a stylistic video. That's where there's music but not a lot of talking. And the reason why we do that sometimes is because in our house I'm always competing with beautiful lively noises, and I'm going to show you one of the noises right now. I wouldn't trade it for the world, but needless to say, sometimes we just have to punt and do a stylistic video. See you later.